Hello everyone, Vortex J24 not turning on or charging. In this video, we will show you quick fixes to get your phone up and running again. Fix 1. Check the back cover. Gently pry off the back cover of the phone. Ensure that the cover is properly aligned and clicked into place. If it feels loose, reattach it firmly. Fix 2. Inspect the buttons. Look for any dirt or debris around these buttons. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently clean around the buttons to ensure they can move freely. Fix 3. Examine the battery. If your phone has a removable battery, take it out carefully. Look for any signs of swelling, leakage, or physical damage. If you notice any damage, consider replacing the battery with a new one. Fix 4. Clean the charging port. Look inside the charging port for dust or debris. Use a small tool like a SIM card ejector or a toothpick to gently remove any buildup. Fix 5. Test your charger. Try charging your phone with a different USB cable and wall adapter. Ensure that the charger is compatible with your Vortex J24. If possible, use your charger with another device to confirm that it is functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.